Hello, welcome back to another episode of Skylanders Spyro's Adventure. Today we'll be doing Chapter 19, Lava Lake's Rip.
Alright, I guess it's up to us to get the eternal fire source. The truck splits here, as one way leads to the old mines, but it's caved in. You'll have to find a lever to switch the tracks so we can shoot you down to the lava lakes. I'll just keep shoveling coal while you look around for the lever.
Oh, what's that? Fire spell pump lays down fuse to an explosive surprise. Oh my.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in
I thought I took you out. What's this one? Ooh, the pickaxe. Firewalkers. Let's go this way. Hey, here's the lever. Ooh, we got some money down there. Now the train can move forward. And then we go. That's one of the babies. Okay.
Oh, what a surprise! Need to find another lever.
Ah.
Who built this thing anyway? They know nothing of mole engineering.
We need a cannon. Oh, there's a fire king. Oh no, the little griffin's gonna attack him. No. There. Now let's continue mining. Oh, there's the cannon. Oh, we can't push it on there. But hey, we found the lever. Oh, I don't want to go. There. What's back here? Okay. There's a fire spell punk in there. Okay, there's a gate. What's this way? Guess we gotta go over to the train. There we go. Firewalkers.
This gate leads to the Crystal Grottos, but it's
Okay.
locked. See if you can find a lever to open it.
Why do we need a bomb for that? Here they are. There, we took them out. Flame imps. Jeez. Hey. There was some blocked stuff over here. Yep, it's open. What's over here? A bunch of money. It's weird. Fire King. Keep him there. Keep him there. Yeah, we got him. Oh, Flame Imp. Jeez. Ooh, it glows. There's a bomb, though. It is strange. Why would you need to blow that up? And we go to the lava lakes. That's a lot of lava. That's a long track. Oh, why are we stopping? Oh, the track's broken.
What happened here? The track's been sabotaged.
What? Glumshanks.
This looks like a job for a mole. Push those giant stone blocks to bridge the gaps, then I'll build new tracks on top of them.
Okay.
That's perfect. Now let's see if you can plug the gaps in the lower section.
What did I do? That's so perfect. There. Then we push. Oh, there's a chest up there. I think how we get up there is using the blocks, so I think we can't get up there anymore. Wait, we can push this that way. Oh, then we're supposed to go there and then over there. Okay, I gotcha. There. Here. Guess we gotta push this out. And then back in. Then we can plug that. So we don't always have to go and push that block in now. And then there. And no, I broke it. Wait. No, we do have to push them in and out. Okay. Push that there. And then we push this back in there. Then we go to the train and it builds the tracks back up.
Don't worry, I'm making sure the train is safe.
No? Do we gotta go further down? I think we do. Yep, that's what you're supposed to do. And then you push that there. And that there. And then this here. I think we get in through the other side. Yep. And then we push this here. Ah, and then there's one up there. Okay. There we go.
Skylander. We make one heck of a team. I'll repair the broken tracks, and we'll be off. That's perfect. Now let's see if you can plug the gaps in the lower section.
Okay. More puzzles.
Okay, done. Would have been quicker if you had helped, but it's
What?
fine. Let's move.
I helped. On to more puzzles. Shanks. Oh no. Oh. Where'd he jump to? Ooh, a fire gate.
Skylanders of the fire.
Here we are, the lava lakes. Let's split up. I'll keep this train running while you go find the eternal fire source. Wish me luck.
Okay. Igniter, come to life. Got some cake. Ooh, that's a view. There's the eternal fire source. Ah, fire spell punk. Fire spell punk. Ow, that hurt. At least no more explosions. Ow, he also exploded. Boom. Haha, there you go. There, gotcha. Ow, ow, ow. Oh no, he's shooting fire. No! Flame Slinger, let's do this. Let's open this before we run out of fire, Skylanders. There's a fire spell pump that's stuck. Huh. Ah, run! Run! I'm going into the fire gate. Oh, we can walk on lava. You can't. There's more than one path. There's money down here. No. We're gonna have to wait for it to come back down there. Then we're gonna do that with this. There. I was scared for a second. I want that. Oh, that was a lot of money. 50. No, There. Oh, I thought that was gonna blast me up. Why is there fire all around us? That's a lot of fire. Wow, that's a lot of money. Take this, take this, take this. Keep firing, just keep blasting, just keep blasting. Take this, fire damage. Oh wow, that's a really cool move. I'm gonna do it on this guy. No, I want to complete it. Whoa. Sweet. The fire source. Chaos. Another boss fight.
No. I don't know how you did it before, but not this time. The eternal fire source is mine, I tell you. Mine! Even in the mine!
Another Flame Slinger. Yeah, but you stay in one space. Oh, no. We got him.
You extinguished my pyro launcher.
Flame Slinger to you.
Now, in return, now I'm gonna really turn up the heat.
Ha ha ha. Oh, it's a spell. That's the eternal fire source. I would... There, got the meat. Ow! Dodge, dodge. There.
You stand still, will you? Why won't you let me torch you?
Because I don't want to be torched.
All that means is that you now get to face my faithful evil phoenix dragon. And believe me, it's got a burning desire to make an ash out of you. I really know this.
I think I can beat it. I have auto aim. And super speed. Ow. Ah, flamethrower. Oh no, the fire stops tomatoes. Yes! We got it.
What? Not my evil phoenix dragon.
Yes, your evil phoenix dragon.
Now I'm Steve.
Tried killing me.
Girls are Steve. Two fools like you get rest.
Spell 2. Oh wow, this one's different. Haha, super speed. Ah! Oh my gosh, that was such a close one. Just stay up on... Oh my. Ah! Ah! Ow, 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 ow! Oh my gosh, that's a really strong one. Stick. Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm down. Sonic Boom, let's do this. Haha.
Very well. You leave me no choice. My evil eruptor will save you up.
Please, no more puns. They're not good ones. Fire good? Alright, I'm a mid-range. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, minions, get them. Oh no. My minions don't do anything. Ow. Just stay away from him when he does that. Ow. He's out. Yes.
I don't understand it. My evil eruptor suffering from aftershocks. No matter. There's no way you can stand up to my fire spells and all three of my
All three?
Ugh.
Took out Flame Slinger. Ow, Eruptor's throwing some heavy moves. Ow. Ow. We got him! Watermelon. Watermelon. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. We got him! Ah! Whoa. No! I know who to do. Gil kill. Let's finish this. Yeah. Level up.
Oh no! Don't think you may have played me for the fire, but there is still one more thing. And let me assure you, I, the host, am not giving up Skylanders that easily.
Really? Seems like you already are. The internal fire source. We've got it. And that was Skylanders Spyro's Adventure, Chapter 19, Novel Lakes Relay. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.